Hello, Parma City Schools students, families, and staff. I'm Dr. Scott Hunt, Superintendent. Did you know that Parma City Schools is home to one of the largest and most diverse career and technical education programs in Ohio? I'm here with Chuck Caldwell, Director of our Career Tech Ed programs, and just want to ask him a few questions about the programs we offer here at Parma City Schools. So Chuck, talk to us a little bit about the variety of programs that we offer.
Yeah, absolutely. So we have 17 different career tech pathway programs. Generally, these are two-year programs that students will take their juniors and senior years of high school. We also offer elective courses in career tech. Some of those are in family consumer sciences, industrial arts, as well as business and computers.
Can you talk about the credentials that our students need to get into these programs?
Yeah, so all of our students in each one of our 17 different programs have the opportunities to earn Ohio industry recognized credentials. These credentials are specific to their pathway, and they're going to give them the skills and knowledge to be career ready right after graduation.
It's interesting to know that across the state of Ohio, we are one of few school districts that offer comprehensive career tech programming. Can you talk a little bit about the value of that in our district?
Yeah, so since we get to keep all of our programming in-house, that gives us the opportunity to provide more seats to our students as opposed to going to Career Center where we might only be able to send 4 or 5 kids to a program. We get to have 25 kids in a class of our specific students. So it's a great asset to our students and our community.
Can you talk a little bit about how our communities benefit from our programming here?
Yeah, so our hope is always that our students will graduate from our programs and become part of our local economy. So our students earning these industry credentials and getting the work-based learning and again, getting the skills and knowledge necessary to be career ready, again, will just further impact our community and hopefully drive the economic development of it.
Chuck, can you talk to us a little bit about the state grant that made our 2 brand new spaces available for us here at Normandy High School?
Yeah, luckily we have some state representatives that are great advocates for career and technical education, that through the OFCC and the Ohio Department of Education and Workforce, they offered a CTE expansion grant that we were one of 35 school districts that were awarded $4.1 million to not only renovate our existing auto and carpentry spaces, but also add over 4,000 square feet of additional lab space.
It's exciting to see how our CTE programs give students the skills and experience to succeed in college, career, and the real world. Thank you, Chuck, and congratulations to everyone who helped make these new spaces a reality. If you or your students are interested in registering for the CTE program, we invite families and students in grades 8 through 11 to attend our Career Tech Open Houses on November 6th at Normandy High School and November 13th at Valley Forge High School, both from 5 to 6:30. Come tour our classrooms and labs, meet the instructors and the students, and learn about the amazing programs and certifications we offer. No RSVP is needed. We hope you'll join us. We are PCSD proud.